Hey friends, I am Catherine and today we are going to try pouring on this old um, box that a GPS once came in. I got that GPS years and years and years ago and I don't still have it, but I do still have the box. It's got a top part and a bottom part that slides on the inside. And because we are painting on it, we're only painting on the top half, not the bottom half. That way it'll still, hopefully, slide inside and I can use it for gift wrapping in the upcoming holiday season. Let's see. Anything else we want to know? I am using white, a bright red, and like a brick red. And I'm going to be trying a swipe today. Last time I tried a swipe, it didn't turn out, but we still made lemonade from those lemons, and we made a book from it, and that book turned out wonderfully. So I'm hoping to get something that is gift wrappy out of this. Let's start and see how it goes. I think the first thing that I want to do is just coat the whole thing in like a little layer of white paint. So I've got a great big brush here. I'm just going to get it just a little bit wet. Just the tiniest bit wet. And then spread this white paint around. I don't want everything to be soggy because this is a cardboard box, but I want all the sides to have white on them. And I'm hoping to do the swipe on the top face and get some like really fun looking drips down the sides if everything goes well. That's why I said I was hoping, because there are no guarantees in painting. Go, and then a little bit more white just for this side here. And then we will set the whole thing back down. And I forgot to put gloves on again. That's okay. It's fine. I'm not too painty just yet. So I will first wipe off the little bit of water and paint that I've got on my hands and set aside that paintbrush because I'm done with it. And then get out some gloves. Because I have learned that just as in beekeeping, in acrylic pouring, it's a good idea to wear gloves. Not because the bees will sting you, but because the propolis will stain your hands yellow. Or in the case of paint, they will stain your hands whatever color you're painting with. And I don't particularly want to be caught red-handed. Here we go. Just put those gloves on nice and there we go. Both gloves on. Perfect. Okay, and then what I think I want to do is lay down some lines of white and then some lines of the bright red. And some lines of the dark red. I don't know if you can hear it, but the bird's sitting right outside the door congratulating himself on being a good boy. And I think I'm just gonna really over pour this because I do want those drips down the sides. Because I think they're gonna be cool looking. Okay, there's the red. There's a little bit more bright red, I think. Just really all over the place. And then maybe some more, a little bit more of the dark red, just to break up that bright red, because now there's an awful lot of it. All right. So that should, in theory, be a good base for a swipe. Now what I'm going to do is just take the white and put it right along one edge, just really all up in there. And then take a bit of old ad, this is Joanne's ad, and just drag it across the top, hopefully. Ooh. That did not hit in the middle there. And that's weird looking. Let's try that again. Just some white right along the top edge and drag it across. Nope, still very smeary. What am I doing wrong with this? How is it not dividing up like I think it should? That's okay. We will make it work. All right. So, clearly as a swipe, this is not going to succeed. Actually, let's give it a couple seconds. I've got some things rising around that I'm not mad at. Let's see how it goes. Pop that bubble. Pop that bubble. Okay, maybe do a little bit of tilting to the sides. Let's see, let's just tilt it that direction. And, oop, lost my cups there. That direction, ooh, right off the edge. That's a lot of paint that's pooling on the top there. That's okay. Oh, no, that's got some interesting things going on with it. Might not have to do anything else. I kind of don't want to add too much more paint to this. One, because it's just a huge, colossal waste of paint. But two, because it's awfully pooling on the top there already. But that is kind of fun and interesting. And then maybe take a little bit of the white and just put like a dot. Just dot some white. Just random places. And then maybe take a little bit, just the tiniest amount of the dark red, and just take a dot of it and place it in the middle of those, if I can manage it. Ooh, that was a little much. That's okay. Well, that's all right. We're just going all over the place with this again, I guess. We'll see how it works out. And maybe some of the bright red. Okay, and then take and tip that again so that we stretch out those spots that we just dabbed everywhere, hopefully. Go just all around. Yep, you know what? Let's try reswiping it again. One last time. We'll try one more try. Just put way too much paint on here already. We're already invested. Okay. Grab back out our mail, and let's try from this side this time. And then take and see. Maybe I'm just not good at it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right, I really will stop messing with it this time. Knowing when to stop is a key part of being an artist. Although, maybe tipping it a little bit because I just dragged up that side. There we go. Okay, that is probably as good as I'm going to get it. Well, it's definitely not still not a success, but I've got some interesting repeated patterns going on here and like some wavily things, so I'm not upset with it. We're just gonna have to let it sit and wait for it to dry. Anyway, this is what I did today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would be happy to hear from you. I always love to hear what you have to think. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all another day. All right, that's it, I guess. Bye.